GlucoFlush Review. The all-natural pancreas support formula known as GlucoFlush helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels in a matter of days when taken according to the instructions. Because using this product helps to keep your pancreas in good health, it also helps to keep your body's blood sugar levels at their normal, healthy levels. There is scientific evidence to support the use of the powerful herbs. This recipe is unlike anything else you have ever used or experienced in your entire life. It is unlike anything else you have ever used or experienced. It is not necessary to take pointless medications, follow pointless diets, take pointless supplements, or exercise in order for you to experience a significant reduction in the level of blood sugar in your body. GlucoFlush is a dietary supplement for weight loss that is made entirely of natural ingredients and does not have any negative side effects. It does this by lowering blood sugar levels, which in turn helps with weight loss by stimulating the body to burn more fat than usual. This natural blood sugar diet formula helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels without causing any adverse side effects, which makes it ideal for those concerned about their health. How does GlucoFlush conduct its day-to-day operations? You will need to flush your body on a regular basis in order to get the most out of GlucoFlush, which assists with issues related to blood sugar and ensures that you will lose weight in a consistent manner. You can support yours lives have been changed for the better. This dietary strategy brings about a reduction in blood sugar by first inhibiting the accumulation of fat in the liver, which then brings about the desired effect of a lower blood sugar level. The straightforward process of burning excess fat in the liver can result in a reduction in blood sugar levels in as little as a few days' time. This can be accomplished by eating fewer carbohydrates. Each bottle of GlucoFlush contains over 20 different ingredients, all of which contribute to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels when used in conjunction with one another.